Humanities is a discipline of academic study. Literature is one component of this study. We can look at the definition of humanities to see how literature fits within that discipline. Humanities are branches of knowledge that investigate human beings, their culture, and their self-expression. This discipline is distinguished from the physical and biological sciences and, sometimes, from the social sciences. The humanities include the study of languages and literatures, the arts, history, and philosophy. Looking at the root word, human, we can see that the study involves the consideration of human thought, emotion, communication, and all aspects of the human condition. There are some strategies to approach the study of humanities. 3 methods are primary. The analytic method is studying the nature of something or of determining its essential features and their relations. This means thinking about the components of human thought and actions in correspondence with environment, time, and culture. The critical method is evaluating or judging quality. This involves an appreciation of the values of human culture, human motivation, and human relationships. The speculative method is contemplating and considering by engaging in theory. This would represent a consideration of the reasons for human choices, and how these are influenced by facets of the human condition. Literature, by definition, is writings of expression and form. It involves connecting with ideas of permanent and universal interest. It has characteristic or essential features such as poetry, fiction, drama. Humans express themselves in writing. Literature is communication, and it involves the use of various modes of writing. Each one of these provides a unique vehicle for human self-expression. We must develop some skills for the discipline of humanities. First, we must demonstrate an awareness of a broad range of works or concepts as a reflection of specific cultures, times, and/or places. How literature reflects these in relation to the communication of meaning is an essential component in an evaluation of human communication in literature. Second, we must be able to compare and contrast works or concepts as they are exemplified in different times, places, and/or cultures. We will see how the common interests of humans is displayed, in similar and contrasting ways. How literature differs in connection with these variables is a crucial piece in our study. Third, we will communicate the relationship between the work or concept and its cultural context. How is the culture reflected in the work? What does the work say about the culture? Recognizing cultural and historical connections can help us understand the meaning of the work, as it relates to the human condition. Fourth, we will identify major cultural issues as they relate to the concept or work. What issues or problems from the culture are reflected in the work? How do these problems work within the context of that work? And how does that context affect how we should understand them? Fifth, we will interpret the impact of works or concepts on the human condition. How does the work illuminate some aspect of humanity or human development and growth? How does the work show a commonality of humans? Or how does the work influence culture? Sixth, we will apply the influence of the work or concept to ourselves, our culture, or perhaps consider it in relationship to other cultures. How does the work communicate or resonate with the reader's own culture, time, and perspective? How does it provide revelation on the scope of the reader's life and culture? In reflection upon the work, how does its subject matter resonate or contrast with our culture? These are the many considerations that bring together the study of literature with the study of humanities. Much of this information is from reference.com.